Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mimi, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this magical unicorn embellishment box. I made this one for my friend Susan.Spooky on Instagram. Her Instagram will be linked down below if you want to go check her out. She came up with this unicorn theme and I absolutely love it. I had a bunch of unicorns in my stash. Well, not actually unicorns, but like unicorn stuff and a lot of other die cuts that I thought fit the magical theme. So it was perfect and I was really excited to make it. I had a lot of fun. I actually made it like the night she asked me if we wanted to do a swap, and that's how excited I was. I was like, yes, of course, and I made it up right then and there. But yeah, like I said, I had a lot of fun, and if you want to see what she made me, you can go follow me on Instagram, which will also be linked down below. So starting off for this embellishment box, I just covered it with some paper, and you guys probably recognize the paper, but the paper pad I used was Stay Magical. It's a Hot Buy paper pad from Michael's, so if you're looking for it, that's where you can find it. It's usually like $5. Don't ever pay more than $5 for the Hot Buy paper pads because they're always on sale. But I use that paper just to cover up the two clear like flat strips on the box, and then the curved one I'm gonna put a pen on it, but you'll see that at the end. And then I'm just using some strips, like you know how the paper pad comes with strips that you can cut out. I'm just using some of those to decorate, and then I have some glitter tape and then some die cut scallop parts. And I got this like Magic Kingdom looking castle from AliExpress. It's a die and I love it so much, and I'm so glad I finally got to use it because I haven't used it yet. And then I had like this really cool doily, like I don't know, like flourish kind of looking die cut that I used, and I cut that out of gold, and I thought that looked really cool, so I put that down. And then I had this sticker sheet that I think I got from Hobby Lobby, or my Aunt Nancy might have sent me that, but I thought it was perfect for this embellishment box, and I really liked the colors it had in it. So that's what I used to decorate the front, and then I also do have this happy sticker, and that is from Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree has some really great stickers out right now if you're looking for some cheap ways to decorate your things, and maybe even cheap gifts to like put in with your swaps. Dollar Tree's the place to go. They have really awesome stickers. Going around the edge of this embellishment box, I usually use like washi tape because it's easier, but I decided I wanted to add this ribbon because I don't have like the perfect washi tape to go with this like color scheme that I had going on. So it's just some Dollar Tree ribbon. It has like gold little foil dots on it. I thought it was pretty, and I just glued that around the side, and you'll see me in a second kind of messing around trying to close it, and it did close okay, but it didn't close great. So I ended up using my like, I think they call them pinking shears for like fabric, and I just ran around the edge of the ribbon and then cut it down a little bit. I didn't show it just because it was kind of unnecessary. But after that, I just started filling up the embellishment box, and I used some Easter grass to fill it instead of that crinkly paper. And honestly, I've used tissue paper, like cut up tissue paper, this Easter grass, and I've also used like the like what was it called? Oh, the paper shreds. And the paper shreds is by far my favorite. That's why everybody uses it. But if you have Easter grass or whatever, go ahead and use it. I just had to trim it down. It works fine. But to fill up the embellishment box with all the goodies, I'm putting in some of the glitter tape, some of the ribbon. I think I used like all the ribbon, so I gave her what I had left. But I also gave her some die cuts. I have die cut scallop parts, like more castles, mirrors, you guys will see. But I also have these little like jars with sequins, and then they also have some beads in there. They might be called seed beads. I got them at the dollar store, but the white I thought looked so pretty and just like unicorns, so I added those into those little jars along with some gold sequins. And then what I just showed you there was little unicorn like embellishments that I made using the hearts, I think it was, or no, they were ovals, I think. And then I cut out the unicorn from the paper pad, and I just put them on there. I thought that was fun. And then here you see me messing around with some of the die cuts. I wasn't sure where I was going to put everything, but I decided to actually put them all in that middle slot so that I had more room for the castle like peaks. So I put all the die cuts in there, and then I'm giving her some of these smiley face stickers. I think they're so fun, and they're sparkly, just like unicorns, so I added those in there. And then I also had, well, I have these that were left over. I didn't want to put them on the front, so I thought she could use them because what do I need more unicorns for? I already told you I had a bunch. And then I got this sticker sheet from the dollar store as well. It's also sparkly because everything's sparkly in this box, and everything is pretty and pink and purple and awesome. So I cut that apart and put it into the little slots. And in that last empty slot there, I'm just adding some tassels, and that will complete this embellishment box, minus the pen that I add on top, which you will see in just a second. I added some washi tape and a bow to this dollar store pen because I wasn't sure if she already had it, so I wanted to make it a little different in case she did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you're inspired to make your own embellishment box, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you already haven't. So I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!